Well, hello and welcome to our Autodesk Learning Partners Summit here in Milan. I hope that you're enjoying the summit here.
Thank you for inviting me to be part of this event. It's great to be here. My name is Juan Tena Florez. I am the Digital Services Director and I'm representing the KEO BIM Academy. I'm based in the United Arab Emirates. Originally, I am from Spain. And I'm representing the AEC industry.
Okay, speaking of AEC industry, could you please tell me what's happening currently with the AEC sector in your region?
Well, in the Middle East, there is a lot of demand for enhancing the BIM capabilities and the BIM requirements on different aspects. The maturity of clients is growing, not only of clients but also of authorities. In the UAE, for example, we can see a Dubai municipality has implemented a BIM mandate requiring for certain building types and qualification of certain buildings for architecture and structure to be submitted through an e-platform to validate the BIM models. Similarly, Abu Dhabi municipality is doing something similar. Okay. So there is a big push from both authorities and clients into going one step beyond the common understanding of what BIM might be.
Could you please tell me why should AEC businesses invest in BIM, digital skills, etc.?
I think that there is no question nowadays about why we should be investing in BIM. I think that BIM in the Middle East is widely adopted. So there is no questioning of why we should invest in BIM. Now the question is, how do we go one step beyond of what we've been doing to date, and what can we do better to be more efficient and to get out of what we do from there. So now the question is, how do we go one step beyond of what we have done in the last 10 years?
And how we can go one step beyond?
How can we do that? As you know, technology is evolving very rapidly. Since last year, we've all been hearing about the use of AI. Similarly, we are exploring the same on how it applies to our business and to our academy. And therefore, the next step is how to make use of all the data that we are producing in our models, and how can we make better informed decisions throughout the process, and how people and end users can make use of that data through a more artificial intelligence approach.
And speaking of AI, how do you think that the learning industry should be responding to the fast development in fields such as AI and mixed reality?
Well, of course, you have to always be open for the new technologies, explore what the possibilities are, and see how it is becoming something of interest to the industry, how it applies to, and what are the benefits that you can get from applying these new technologies. So the first step is to actually do a research on how this may apply to, as an example, learning and development. And therefore we are in this first exploratory phase of understanding how this is applying to this topic specifically. And what we are seeing is that, of course, based on how users consume content nowadays, on how AI could be applicable to make it easier for them to consume this content.